Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus Nord SE, and I'll show you how to turn off OK Google feature of Google Assistant on this device. So as can you see, when I'm saying OK Google, the Google Assistant is activated, and just to turn off this feature, you should go into the Google folder and launch the Google application, and click on the right upper corner. After that, just click here to the settings and tap to the voice section. After that, click to the voice match, and to turn off OK Google, you should click here once again on the switcher, and then just click here to OK. And by this way, we can turn off Hey Google feature on our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.